Good morning, Matthew. Today we're working on IEP goal number 3 and number 4, which both are mathematics. Today's objective is number 2. By the end of 18 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, model prompts, and word problems visuals, triangles, parallelograms, square, rectangles, trapezoids, Matthew will find the area by using appropriate formulas at the rate of 70% accuracy as measured by work samples. Now, please take out a separate sheet of paper. If you can, please number the paper from 1 through 6. Make sure you put your name and the date. Alright, today you're going to work out the area of the following rectangles. Once you find the area, you write down beside the number on your separate sheet of paper. For example, number 1, if the answer is 10, you will write down number 1 and then 10 cm because we're measuring in centimeters. You will complete this assignment 1 through 6 and you will make a separate space for IEP goal number 4, which you will also work on the same piece of paper. Let's move on to goal number 4. Mathematics accepted by committee academic. Today's objective is number 1. By the end of 9 instructional weeks, Matthew will define points, lines, line segments, and rays as measured by work samples at a rate of 70% accuracy. On the same piece of paper, please write down numbers 1 through 6. On this activity, in goal number 4, which you will solve which word describes a figure. So for example, on number 1, if your answer is A, you will write down 1 and then next to the number 1, you will put A. You will solve problems 1 through 6 on your own based on we have previously covered working on IEP goals. If you need any help, you can refer back to your past activities for understanding. Upon completion, if you cannot upload it to Teams, please send me a picture via WhatsApp or text message. Thank you very much and have a great weekend.